The Madhyamaka proponents of Mahayana understand that external phenomena, as well as the internal mind, have no independent existence. They teach that our mind is free of the extremes of being existent, of being non-existent, of being neither existent nor non-existent, and of being both. Furthermore, they teach that the true nature of our mind and of all things is the inseparability of the relative and ultimate truths. Despite this fact, we call our mind self or I, our head, hands, legs, and so forth are our references for imputing a self. If we search for the self that we imagine has true existence and investigate thoroughly, we will not find it. Nevertheless, we distinguish between a personal self and a self of appearances that we apperceive and imagine are other than the self.